freezer Hua Hin. I've just woken up. It is now 12:30. I'm going to go collect my laundry, for which I dropped off last night. And go get something to eat. I had a couple of drinks last night and I don't feel like Thai food. Maybe a sandwich or a burger or something. Anything. Can't even see what's around that corner. Watch out, don't get decapitated by that canopy on that bike. Okay.
10 minutes, okay?
10 minutes? อะไร default ลืมเหรอ Okay, I'll come back later.
Yeah, I need สัก 5 and 10 minutes นี่แหละ
Okay.
เพราะว่าอันนั้นมันยังได้
10 นาทีก็ได้ไหมครับผม
ขอบคุณค่ะ I'm sorry นะ
ไม่เป็นไรสบาย Sometimes I forget too. She forgot, so it still needs to be folded or some shit, ironed or something. So what I will do, I'll go eat. Looks good. Sawadee krab. How are you?
I'm good. How are you today?
สบายดีครับผม I know what I want.
Would you like to order?
Yes, please. Just a single Phuket
Yes.
and a Coke Zero.
Okay.
So I didn't have at it last night comprehensively. I just had a few beers, but just enough to wake up just with a little bit of a hangover. And when I'm like that, I just feel like bread or something like that to eat. It's the first thing in my stomach as opposed to rice or some sort of curry or noodles. So I've come here to Prime Burger and had a look on Google Maps and it looks alright. That's the price. Single, double, triple. So last night I went out to this Irish bar called Father Ted's and I met this Thai couple who ended up having a few drinks. So They were good value actually. And then we went out afterwards and some soy somewhere where it's lined with bars and we played pool. Man, this couple, their pool game was extra sharp. They were also like, she smashed me and he was like another level again. But I ended up playing just for fun, played for 20 baht and I beat him somehow, some way. Just good fortune favoured me. And then she said, okay, well, let's lay down 100 baht and double or nothing. And then I almost bet her. I had one ball left. So, yeah, end up losing 100 baht there too. So it was good, it was fun. And then I got home at maybe 2 o'clock, had a big sleep in, and here I am, fresh and revitalized. Oh, thank you so much. That was quick. So it's a Phuket burger, like a smashed style. Chop into it and see. Not bad actually. Thank you very much. Time to go back and get my laundry. I'm sure she would have completed that by now. That was a good burger. I'm impressed actually. Hello. Okay. What? Thank you so much. Bye-bye. All my socks and jocks. Clean. No more commando. Can you hear that clunk? It doesn't like minimal throttle. Fucking CVT clunks in it. What a heap of shit. So I made my way down to HUAHIN beach at a snail's pace, I might add. And right now I'm just heading, this is like the entranceway to the main HUAHIN beach. You can see there's plenty of places to sit, drink, rent a bike if you prefer. Actually not bad bikes. Trek. No, you're right, mate. Little touristy knick-knacky shit that you normally see in Thailand. I came here about 3 years ago, and it was really windy, and the wind was like making the surf like just really like tumultuous, and it was stirring up all the sand in the water, and the water was just grey, didn't look very good. So we'll see what it's like today. Didn't leave a very good lasting impression on me of Hua Hin beach, so we'll go have a look. Well, the water looks a bit more nicer today. It's got a bit of green colour at least. When I was here last, they had like horses here, and you could people could pay to ride on them, the poor things, out in the heat the whole day. Oh fuck, the horses are still here. Oh Jesus Christ. Imagine those horses standing around and taking people up and down the beach all day in this heat. Oh, good God. No, not at all. Lovely things though, aren't they? Aren't you? Sorry buddy, I'll leave you alone. The tide's in, coming right up to the beach chairs. For me, it's not that exciting down here. Not that nice. Well, I come to remind myself what I saw 3 years ago. Get some footage for you guys out there, for anyone who may wonder what Hua Hin is like and worth visiting. I quite like Hua Hin in general. It's just like the small, sleepy vibe town. Still big enough for plenty of nightlife or activities, I guess. Like if you want to do day trips outside of Hua Hin, waterfalls or temples. But nothing that amazing outside of here. But like I say, I come here just for bit of different change of pace from the partying and stuff like that. Tell you what though, I feel like a fruit smoothie, a mango smoothie would go down real well right now. I think I saw one on the way through. Sawasdee krap. ร่วง smoothie ได้ไหม Yes.เท่าไหร่ครับ
50 ค่ะ
Gotta love a fucking fresh blended up smoothie. So good, dude. So refreshing in this heat. Oh, check this out. Check out this bad boy. So good. Alloy, Mark, alloy.
What are you doing, step bro?